Come, buddy. Hard tying flies when you got a Weimaraner. I'll tell you what. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, so took the dog for a walk. He's a bit knackered, and now I thought I'd get behind the vise and tie a couple flies for you guys. I'm running low on some elk hair caddis flies, so yeah, I'm going to try and tie a couple of them up, and I'll give a little bit of a demonstration on how it's all done and how I do it anyway, and yeah, hopefully you can learn something. And then yeah, just need to restock my my flies because I'm running a bit low. I've decorated a few trees over the last couple trips, so yeah, cool. Cheers for tuning in. Alrighty, so here's the setup. I've got a big box of random fly tying material, but today I'm going to be using some hackle, elk hair, some resin, my whip finisher, hackle pliers, scissors, size 14 hooks, chamomile tea, very important. I got my tripod just sitting there, and yeah, the vise with the thread on there. Alrighty, so first things first, you want to try and get your thread on the hook. Then what you do is you basically just work backwards. So what I find to do is, hang on a second, where am I looking? I need to find a good feather. So there's a few good ones in there, but I'm thinking that one there, I reckon. It's looking pretty good. Hang on a second. There's a couple good ones. But yeah, basically I'm not going to look for a big one because it's only a tiny fly that I'm tying. So I want one of these smaller ones down the bottom here. So maybe one like that, I reckon. Yeah, that one will do. Yeah, perfect. So as you can see, the feather I chose is now secured onto the hook, nice and tight. Now I'm going to add some dubbing to the string, the thread, sorry. I'll add the dubbing on there. So dubbing's on the string now. Just going to wrap it around a few times, get it working. Start wrapping from back to the front of the hook. Just adjust it a little bit as you're going along, making sure it's nice and even. Perfect. So now that's all the way to the front. What you're going to do next is grab your hackle pliers. You're going to pinch the end of your feather that you tied on earlier and wrap it the opposite way to you're wrapping the dubbing on, just to help tie it all on there. And then that happens and it's really annoying. So yeah, what we're going to do is start again. Hopefully have enough feather to do it. Like I said, I'm not professional at this. I just like doing it as a good pastime. And because I'm very good at decorating trees. Right, and then around a couple times with the thread. Secured that in, nice and tight. Take your scissors, cut it in nice and close. So it should look like that. Nice little bit of hackle on there. Next thing will be a little bit of elk hair. So I've got a nice little bit of elk hair. Just give it a pinch. Not too much, just about that much. And then you find your length that you want. Pinch it. Wrap it around, pinch it with your fingers, pull down tight, round, pinch with your fingers, pull down tight, then give it a couple more wraps. That's nice and tight, a couple wraps underneath it, so that secures it in. And then, what you want to do, get your scissors and trim up the excess elk hair that you don't want, and then give it a couple more wraps, underneath, one more wrap, there we go. Grab the whip finisher. Grab it there. 1, 2, 3. Pull it tight. One more for good luck. 1, 2, 3. Pull it tight. Trim off your excess thread, just like that. Straighten it all up, make it look all good. Get a little bit of resin, a little drop on the thread. Torch. Cure. Right, and there you have it. LK caddis fly. Cheers for watching.